Hi, Nicole. You did a wonderful job on your lecture video. It was so well done. It was nice and clear, and your voice was calm. And certainly, you captured your teacher presence just through your narration and having your face on the screen. I know that will be really helpful to guide students and help them feel like you're really there along their side. You did a wonderful job capturing the five elements that we were looking for. Your lighting was great. I love the positioning of you with the video. It wasn't like you were too high up or too low. You looked right into the camera, so that was excellent as well. And again, the audio was very clear, so I really appreciated that. I also like that you used this concept to provide students with instructions on your interactive image there. That was also really nicely done. And in particular, I love that extra support you gave them with the link to the Continent song, which I have never heard, so I might have to go back and listen to that as well. And I really liked how you used some of the tools on the screen just to keep students engaged and sort of watching, keeping their eyes where they should be as they roam around that visual interactive image that you created. Overall, I think you did a wonderful job. I really appreciate your work, and I hope you get to use this with your students. I would love to hear their feedback to you on this project. So job well done. Thank you.